Starting your new weight loss journey can be one of the most exciting times of your life. You can't wait to show your new figure and get plenty of compliments. But before you get carried away, it's good to know what to expect and learn a few extra hacks to help you succeed. That's why in this video, we'll share 13 things you should know before starting your weight loss journey. Number 1. You don't have to work out. According to a study from the University of Ottawa, working out burns fewer calories than we think. If the treadmill or elliptical machine displays 100 burnt calories, the actual number is probably lower than 72. That's because our bodies compensate for the calories we burn. But the great news is that you don't even have to work out to lose weight. There's no doubt that exercise has many benefits and helps you stay healthy. But if you are not a fan of working out, there are plenty of other ways to stay active and shed the extra fat. Walking can help you burn a ton of calories without even sweating, and you can achieve the same goal by taking the stairs instead of the elevator, doing some chores around the house, or carrying your groceries. Find ways to incorporate movement in your daily life and you'll slim down without even noticing. Number 2. You can eat tasty foods. It's incredibly hard to stick to your diet if you completely ban tasty foods. Fat, sugar, and salt create an addictive flavor that's hard to let go of. But you can also get great taste without unhealthy ingredients. In fact, there are healthy ways to make your meals delicious, and you can find low-calorie recipes for all your favorite dishes. You can also experiment with different spices that pack a ton of flavor without adding calories. With a simple online search, you'll find plenty of ways to cook low-calorie and tasty versions of the world's favorite meals, like pasta, pizza, stir-fries, ice cream, and even cake. Number 3. A treat every now and then won't do any harm. Everyone loves a treat. That's why it's hard to let go of comfort foods like chocolate, ice cream, and cake. The problem is that very sweet foods are usually full of calories. If you eat them every day and in large quantities, they'll make it impossible for you to lose weight. But occasionally and in moderation, even a delicious treat is fine. Keep your portions under control, and whenever possible, go for healthier options. If you love chocolate, ditch Milky Bars and choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao solids. You'll still get your chocolate fix, but it'll be easier to be in control of how much you eat. Number 4. Supplements will not fix everything. Supplements can be an effective booster for weight loss and fat loss. They can help you increase your metabolism, reduce your appetite, and give your body plenty of helpful nutrients. Supplement companies promise all sorts of amazing results, but there is one big caveat. Pills and powders are not a magic wand. Without a healthy diet, they won't make any difference to your weight loss efforts. That's why your nutrition should always come first. You can add supplements only after you start following a healthy diet. Number 5. Psychology plays a big part. Losing weight is not just about exercising and eating well. It also has a lot to do with managing your mind. Stress eating and emotional eating are one of the biggest reasons why people fail to lose weight. When we're under a lot of stress, our bodies make cortisol, the stress hormone. Too much cortisol can slow down your metabolism and lead to weight gain. According to the American Psychological Association, stressed people seek out high-calorie and high-fat foods to lift their mood. When you manage your mental state correctly, you might be cutting out hundreds of extra calories a day. Number 6. Eating healthy is not enough. Even when you eat healthy food, you can still consume too many calories. In fact, healthy food has calories too, and eating too much of it will sabotage your progress. With plenty of low-calorie options, you might think that you can keep eating and snacking without gaining weight, but it's still important to maintain control over your portions. Be especially mindful of healthy fats like nuts, olive oil, and avocado. They are good for you, but only in moderation. Number 7. Fluctuations are normal. Even when you are slimming down successfully, your weight doesn't go down in a straight line. In fact, fluctuations are entirely normal. Your weight always goes up and down for different reasons: bloating, hormonal changes, stress, illnesses, and so much more. Your weight will shift all the time, and there's no need to panic. Number 8. Track your progress, but don't obsess. Tracking your weight and measurements can be really motivating. Watching those numbers go down shows you how far you've come. Tracking will also tell you whether a particular routine is working out or not, and there's no better feeling than looking at a successful before and after picture. But like everything else, you don't want to overdo it. If you find that you are obsessing over your weight or waist size, it may be time to step back. If you are starting to feel anxious before or after your daily weigh-in, weigh yourself less often. Once or twice a week will go a long way. Number 9. Healthy foods are not always healthy. We often think that as long as we shop in the right places, we'll lose weight. But not everything in the health food store or aisle is actually good for you. In fact, if you go to any health store, you'll find plenty of junk food options. Low-fat snacks that are full of sugar, veggie chips that are fried with unhealthy oils, vegan cake that packs plenty of calories. There's nothing wrong with eating these foods occasionally, but if you rely on them for most of your diet, you'll have a hard time losing weight. Number 10. Your friends and family play a part. When your friends and family support you, it's easier to get ahead. According to the science of habits and behavior change, having an accountability partner can help you stay on track. But even if you don't have a fitness buddy, your loved ones can be great motivators. You can share your weight loss plans with your family so they feel part of your journey. You may even find a new group of friends with similar goals, so you can share your progress and make healthy habits more fun. And if someone is getting in the way of your weight loss goals, stand your ground or spend a little less time with them. Number 11. Don't go all in. When you start to lose weight, motivation is high and it's easy to get a little too excited. But if you set unrealistic goals, your efforts can backfire. For example, if you restrict your eating too much, you'll end up with a diet that is boring and unsustainable. If you plan to exercise every day, you'll end up exhausted and keen to give up. This is easily fixed by making changes one step at a time. With regular practice, small changes add up to huge milestones. If you're learning new healthy recipes, experiment with one at a time and try a new meal every week. If you're planning to walk more, set a realistic number of steps and achieve that before moving ahead. Small changes go a long way. Number 12. You can control your hunger. When you stay hungry for too long, you lose control and eat everything in sight. It makes sense to eat less when you want to lose weight, but you need to control your hunger instead of giving into it right away. Drinking water helps, but if you're still craving food, you can look for something healthy to munch on. If you feel peckish, think about a non-favorite food first, maybe a carrot, an apple, or a celery stick. If you're open to eating them, your hunger is real. If not, you might just be bored or stressed. Work on those issues first, and your hunger will improve. Number 13. Be careful about which diet you choose. Although most diets work in similar ways, it doesn't mean that they are all the same. Many scientific studies have shown that it's best to find a diet that fits your lifestyle. Every person is different. That's why it's important to find an eating style that works best for your body. If you want to learn all about the most effective weight loss diets and how to choose the one that is going to work for you, click here to watch this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more amazing content on health and fitness. See you in the next video.